Founded in 2002, Suparna Gupta's Angan has impacted the lives of over 150,000 children. Angan works in communities marked by intense poverty and violence and sets up local child safety circles that are powered by unusual allies: parents, government officials and young change makers. In 2006, Suparna partnered with more than 15 state governments across the country, making Angan the first non-profit to access hundreds of vulnerable children who are residing in state-run institutional facilities. Today, Angan works in 78 government rescue homes and in 39 high-risk hotspots like this Wadala transit camp in Mumbai.
Our aim is to find the group of vulnerable children and then work in a holistic way that encompasses children, of course. We work with children, we run safety groups, girl safety groups and boy safety groups. Then we work with the parents, so we train parents to be barefoot child protection workers, and in turn they involve the larger community. And finally, the government officials, who nobody, tends to have a lot of faith in, but our communities learn how to negotiate with them and activate them. And when they all start working together in a very coordinated way, that's really when the magic happens.
And for the magic to happen, the venture has created a Charaha program for boys and a Shakti program for girls, where the focus is on rehabilitation. These programs involve exercises and role play to help boys and girls identify safety risks. Only in the last 1 year, the venture has impacted 57,000 children so far and sent 1,000 children back to school.
The group does community projects as a large community because they have now so much support for each other, but they also make individual safety plans. And so, for instance, you will see that a girl who is under pressure to get married will call on her peer group, and together they will go to the parents and in the past have convinced parents not to get their daughters married so early.
एक महीने पहले मेरी मम्मी मेरे लिए एक रिश्ता लेके आई, शादी करवाने के बारे में बोल रहे थे, मगर मैंने मम्मी को बहुत समझाया कि शादी अभी नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि मेरी उम्र भी बहुत कम है। मैंने उनको समझाया कि अभी शादी करने से क्या क्या हो सकता है करके। कोई लड़का अगर मैं उससे शादी करके चलिए, आगे चलकर क्या पता वो मुझे मतलब मेरे साथ रखेगा, कहीं छोड़ के चला गया तो मुझे फिर बाद में मैं अपने पैरों पे खड़ी नहीं हो पाऊंगी। अगर मैं पढ़ लूंगी तो आगे चलकर मैं खुद के पैरों पे खड़ी हो जाऊंगी। अगर ऐसा कुछ हो भी सकता है तो आगे चलकर।
Empowering young girls like Chakravarti, the venture also has a program called PACT, or Parents and Child Against Trafficking, where parents are trained on a child's safety needs and they in turn help to identify child protection issues in the community. While Suparna has created strong linkages between parents, government officials and children, she seems to have been bitten by the tech bug as well.
We are about to launch an app. And in the next 3 years, we see that app being sort of the center of, bringing together all our work, and we will take this into 250 hotspots in the next 3 years, so impacting 250,000 of the most vulnerable children from the most marginalized families.